Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The cost of the truck is 1,65,000 dirhams. If its value depreciates at the rate of 19% per annum, then what is the total depreciation after 1 year? Now we can see the situation here. The depreciation is 19% per annum. So every year, for example, if at the end of first year, uh, cost of the truck has depreciated to 1,50,000, then at the end of next year we'll take 1,50,000 as the start of the cost. So what we'll say? We'll say that depreciation of the cost of the truck is compounded and it's annually compounded. So let's see, we can modify compound interest formula here for depreciation. Depreciation compounded. We can modify that for depreciation. So we get final amount equal to principal multiplied by 1 minus rate by 100 to the power t. Here principal is initial cost of truck, which is given as 1,65,000 dirhams. Let's see. R is given as depreciation rate, which is 19% per annum given in the question, and T is 1 year. We have to find depreciation at the end of 1 year. So we'll simply put the values here. We get 1,65,000 multiplied by 1 minus 19 by 100 to the power 1. So this is to the power 1. So bracket will be as it is. Let's see, 1,65,000 multiplied by, so we'll take LCM here. 100 minus 19 is 81 divided by 100. These two zeros will cancel out. We'll simply need to multiply this now. 1650 multiplied by 81. So we get 10561. 8085 are 40. 86 are 48 plus 4 is 52. 8 ones are 8 plus 5 is 13. So what we get? 05631. So we get final amount after depreciation as 1,33,650 after 1 year. So depreciation can be calculated by subtracting initial cost from final amount. So that will be, no, by subtracting final amount from initial cost. So we'll have to subtract final amount from initial cost, which is 1,65,000 minus 1,33,650, which is equal to, let's see, 10 minus 5 5, 10 minus 7 3, 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 3 3, 1 minus 1 0. So this is 31,350 dirhams is depreciation. So that's our answer.